4 years ago, we came down in droves from either the Residence Inn, the Holiday Inn, or the Microtel, right above North Campus to our new home, just past the No-Tie, which at the time, we couldn't wait to try. How naive we were. We hauled our belongings into Bursley Hall, or if we were lucky or unlucky, we're still not entirely sure which, Bates. And we entered a world completely foreign to us, a world full of new friends, new mentors, new ideas, and eventually, a new family. From that first day to this day, there hasn't been a single moment where I haven't been blown away by the creativity, ambition, and genius of everyone here. And at the start, that was intimidating. Why were we here? Looking up to the upperclassmen we all admired, I would ask myself, as we all did, what can I offer? How can I be a part of this? And I'm happy to say that after taking my Theater 252 practicum with Mark Berg, I was all gassed up and ready to go. The answer, of course, as I started my BFA in musical theater, was lighting design. Though the answer has obviously changed through the years, the question for all of us remains the same. How can I be a part of that? What can I do? And you hear it here every day. The creativity of this place courses through the buildings at every hour of the day and night. Just walk through the design and production studio at 3 a.m. if you don't believe me. Just look at the 5 independent production companies formed on campus in the past year alone. Look at the actors, singers, dancers, writers, musicians, directors, stage managers, designers, engineers, producers, and educators working through every night on projects just because they're passionate about them. And in 90 or so minutes, when we leave here, the skyline might change, but our creative community stays the same. We get to create with each other for the rest of our lives, and there's no cohort in the world I'd rather be here with than this one. We're leaving, but we get to go together. So let's go do things, build things, go places, and let's be good to each other, because we're each other's biggest advantage, each other's secret weapon, because that's what family is. And as someone in our field with a remarkable felicity of expression once said, it feels like an ending, but it's really a beginning, right? Something is stirring, shifting ground, it's just begun.
Edges are blurring all around, and yesterday is done.
Feel the flow, hear what's happening, we're what's happening.
Don't you know we're the movers and we're the shapers, we're the names in tomorrow's papers, up to us now to show up. It's our time. To change.